Hello, welcome back to Eagle-IoT. This tutorial will guide you on how to streamline your Eagle-IoT experience by strategically bookmarking your most used applications. This simple yet powerful feature grants you instant access to your workflow essentials, boosting productivity and minimizing navigation time. Within the tab's navigation bar at the top of your screen, identify the star icon positioned on the leftmost side. A single click on the star icon initiates the bookmarking process. A text box will appear, prompting you to enter a custom name of the module or submodule you want to bookmark. Choose a descriptive and relevant title that aligns with your workflow context. Bookmark all your frequently used applications to build a personalized command center that reflects your individual needs. Bookmarking applications is just one of the many ways Eagle-IoT empowers you to achieve more. This concludes our tutorial of Eagle-IoT's bookmarking applications. If you have any questions or need support, please don't hesitate to visit our website www.avl-ksa.com/contact-us. Discover additional tips and tutorials, stay connected for updates, and unlock the full potential of your Eagle-IoT journey.